regarding the AMC-NANO, it comes for support for 4 axes, but there's an add-on that you can add to it, so you can control multiple axes up to 8 DOF, like the AMC-MDBOX. Now this add-on needs a little bigger case, and it connects with RJ45 to this expansion, so you can connect a second 4-in-1 or 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 MD-box, so you can control 2 of them at the same time. Now you can see that these are you can see that's actually powered. Okay. Now the upgrade, this one, if I may open it, it's very tight. So the plain Nano comes like this inside. It here has some connectors that can be used for the expansion. I'll show you here how it connects. It connects like that. You can see it has the, so this is what you get, plus the adapter at the case for it, so it can fit. This one will have the pins like this, and in the package will be those females that you can solder on the board you have in these locations, and then you can plug that on there. Okay, all the way in, and then the closure. Okay, and of course the 2 screws to keep that together so it doesn't open. Now let me open this. You can see the locations that these are soldered. Here, here. Actually, zoom it a little bit. Right, so what the upgrade kit includes would be the new case, which is bigger, the expansion of course with the RJ45, and the cable and the adapter for the second MD box. Alright, thanks for watching.